In this video, we will talk about how to verify WeChat with passport. So technically, if you do not have a Chinese citizenship, you can use passport for this. First, you need to download WeChat either on your App Store or Google Play. After that, you just need to register, sign up using your mobile number, and complete the puzzle verification and accept their terms and conditions. After that, activate WeChat Wallet by navigating to Me, Services, Wallet, or enable it on the actual settings, general, and features if the wallet isn't visible. Now initiate ID verification. Tap on Wallet and Identity Information or ID info. You can submit your passport details, select passport as your ID type, enter your full name, ensuring it matches your passport exactly, provide your country and region, mobile number, address, and occupation. Upload clear photos of your passport and a selfie and add bank card. This is optional but recommended. You can link a foreign credit or debit card, Visa, MasterCard, etc. for easier activation, entering details and verifying via SMS. You need to get verified by doing this, and WeChat will process your information, and once approved, your payment features will be fully unlocked. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.